Hello, welcome back to my next video. Today we will prepare another delicious apple pie. So I grated about 1 kilo of apples on a coarse grater into a pot. Add 1 packet of vanilla sugar and 1 packet of cinnamon sugar. Mix and simmer this mixture for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we are going to prepare the dough. Put 3 whole eggs in a bowl. Add 12 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And beat this mixture. Next, add 13 tablespoons of oil to the egg mixture. And beat again. Next, add 12 tablespoons of milk. And beat this mixture again. Now we will add the loose ingredients to the dough, namely 12 tablespoons of plain flour and half a packet of baking powder. Beat this mixture again until smooth, and this is how we created the dough for our apple pie. I divided the dough into 2 halves. Pour the first half into a baking sheet that I greased and sprinkled with flour. The sheet is 20 by 30 centimeters. I flatten the dough nicely. And put it in a preheated oven at 170 degrees. For about 10 minutes. You need to keep an eye on the time. When the dough is halfway baked, now we will layer our stewed apples. We flatten the apples nicely. And pour the second half of the dough on top of the apples. We smooth the dough and put the cake back in the oven. We bake the cake until golden brown. And here is the result of our baking today. Excellent quick apple pie. So hello, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.